Hi guys, this is Martin and welcome to Martin's Taste. Previously, I made a video to visit the Bullion Gauge market, also a video to teach you how to extract all the meat from the lobster. So for this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a lobster pasta. Sounds good? Let's get started.
For the ingredients, we are going to have pasta, onions, tomato sauce, vegetable stock, olive oil, white wine, basins, black pepper, garlic, salt, and lobster. First of all, we have to chop the onion into small pieces and leave it aside. Mash the garlic with a garlic paste or chopping it into very mesh. It is time for the lobster. Cut the lobster meat into small pieces. Boil a bowl of water and cook the pasta for 10 minutes. While the pasta is cooking, we can prepare our pasta sauce. Heat 3 tablespoons of olive oil, add the garlic mash, onion, and a little bit of salt and stir fry it until they are soft and light brown, which take about 5 minutes. Add the white wine, vegetable stock, and tomato sauce to the pan and cook it for about 10 minutes until the sauce becomes thick. Then add the lobster to the sauce and heat it for 1 minute. Add the cooked pasta into the sauce and mix them evenly. Presentation time. Get a beautiful plate and paste the pasta carefully on it. Give a final dressing with a little bit of black pepper and basins.
Hi guys, so this is the lobster pasta. If you got any question about the tutorial, feel free to leave a message below. If you enjoyed my video, give me a like and subscribe my channel here. Alright, see you next time.